Hi, this is Ben Robison, Health Commissioner at Wood County Health Department. I'd like to talk to you today about the reporting order for K-12 educational facilities. Beginning last week, schools across Wood County, both public schools and private schools, began to address the director's order for reporting COVID-19 impacts within their school communities. Schools have 3 levels of reporting that they're responsible for. The first level is the classroom level. So if there were a staff member or a student who is a COVID case, they are required to report to parents and guardians within 24 hours in writing that impact has occurred within the classroom. That allows those parents and guardians to have heightened awareness of that potential exposure and to take precautions and watch for potential symptoms within their own students. The second level of reporting is the facility level of reporting. This requires schools within 24 hours to notify parents and guardians in writing that the facility where that classroom was located has had a potential exposure during that last 24 hours. And the third level of reporting is that within 24 hours they have to also notify the Wood County Health Department. We then, on a weekly basis, will compile those results and we will share them with the Ohio Department of Health every Tuesday. We shared our first report with the Ohio Department of Health this last Tuesday. And then we are also going to share that same report that we share with ODH with the broader Wood County community through our COVID website. Finally, every Thursday, the Ohio Department of Health will post the results from all of the counties across the state. And you'll be able to see on their website the breakdowns of the number of students and staff members by either district or private school, whichever is the highest level that is appropriate for that particular educational community across the state for comparison and evaluation of what is happening. I do want to note that they are not reporting individual cases because you could have a student or a faculty member or an employee of the school that spends time on more than one campus or more than one school district. So there is some intentional double counting that is built into this process because we're trying to identify potential impacts and impacted communities, not just individual cases. And I want to say that up front so that you are not surprised if some of the reports that you see on our website related to the school reporting may not line up exactly the way that you would see them on our case reporting. And that's intentional and understood, and that is not a conflict at all. So I just want you to be aware. The last thing I want to say is I just want to commend our school districts and our private schools for their continued collaboration and commitment to executing the public health guidance that's been provided by the state of Ohio and Wood County Health Department. They have been great partners to us and continue to be committed to keeping COVID out of their school districts and keeping their students and their faculty safe. As the governor says every week when he talks about this, we are going to see cases in schools when there are cases in our community. And those cases are not reflective at all of schools not performing to the highest level and not taking this seriously. I can say across the board, our school districts are committed to this and have taken great steps to keep their communities, their students, and their staff members safe. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about this new reporting initiative, and we look forward to your continued partnership. Take care.